Sa Antal Grand Village, meron tayong 8 villages, no, namely the Grand Oak Ridge, Grand Forbes, Grand Catalina, Grand Cedar Crest, Grand Broadmoor, Grand Riverdale, Grand Meadows, Grand Pasadena, and the Grand Park Lane. So dito we have lot only available and house and lot package wherein available sa lahat ng engineers, constructors, and architects na pwede kayo magpagawa ng sariling design. And right now, nandito tayo sa Grand Forbes. Alam nyo, napakaganda ng bahay dito. Because, ayun, lahat dito is Mediterranean design. So kung parang like nasa European, no, nasa Mediterranean area tayo. So ayan, ang ganda ng mga bubong. So that's a tigular roof tiles. And then yung walls, the clean lines, and yung mga bricks walls. But pwede kayong magpagawa ng sarili nyo pong rendition, no, dito sa Grand Forbes ng Antal Grand Village. And today, dito sa harapan natin, since we have lot for sale here, this is 198 square meters. Right now, dito po, meron tayong clubhouse, a children's parks and playground, and a swimming pool. Alright, ito pong clubhouse natin dito sa Antal Grand Forbes is exclusive for the lot owners and homeowners ng Grand Forbes dito po sa Antal Grand Village. No? This is very exclusive. Hindi siya open sa lahat ng mga subdivision because meron ditong exclusivity. Ayan. So, meron kang magandang swimming pool, meron ka doon clubhouse area, and meron kang maraming mga area na mai-enjoy lalo na ng isang homeowners. Yung exclusivity. And then, paglabas natin, meron ng Alpha Mart, and paglabas natin dito, kung meron kayong mga anak na maliliit pa at gusto nyo pong ipa-enroll sa Southville International School, well, dito lang sa tabi natin. Meron tayo dito ang Southville International School. So, kung meron kayong mga anak din na maliliit pa at gustong mag-play dito sa inyong very exclusive area, well, meron tayong children's parks and playground. Then, doon sa side na yun, meron tayong basketball court. Ayan, right? So, we have a basketball court. Malapot yung kalsada natin. This is like 8.5 meters yung kalsada natin. And you have a basketball court. Right? Over here. Right? Diba? Napakaganda ng elevation natin. Imagine it's a master plan committee by the Fox and Associates.
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been through.
So dito sa Grand Forbes, we still have like 5 lots for sale. Minimum lot dito, 198 square meters. Pwede kayong magpagawa dito ng sariling design with a minimum floor area ng bahay of 150 square meters. 2 floors lang siya or 9.5 meters yung pinaka-peaks. And then, Homeowners Association. Dito po sa Antal Grand Village, no, 6 pesos per square meters. So, depende sa inyo pong sa laki ng lot, no? 6 to 8 or 6 to 10 pesos. So, if you have like 198 multiply into 6. Alright, hanggang 10 pesos. So, real property tax, yeah, mostly dito. For this one, sa Grand Forbes, like mga 3,000 pesos annually. Right. For the lot only. And different sa building. Alright, kung gusto niyo po magpa-film na inyo pong property dito po sa Antal Grand Village, mag-message na kayo. At kung gusto niyo pong magpa-site ocular dito sa Antal Grand Village, message us today. Alright, so, punta tayo sa ating project na Anyana Antal Tanza. Okay, let's go, Sammy.
I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.